What's happening, guys? It's Ghost the Gamer again, and we're back with Heavy Rain. I'm kind of just trying to knock like a bunch of these out. Yes, I understand. I'm coming back. I came back just in time. But oh no. What have I done? Back. Okay, so whoop whoop. But I'm gonna try to like do more stuff. I'm trying to progress the game along. Oh, it's a microwavable pizza. You know what? Those are bitching. So who am I to judge? But I I said in the last one that he didn't really need a shave. Yeah, he kind of does actually. So I might want to hot. Yeah. I could eat a whole one of those on my own.
You can come now, Sean. Your meal is ready.
I'm coming.
Ah, yeah, right at 7. Yeah, baby. Oh, oh no. Whoop.
Hey, Dad. I didn't know you could juggle.
I haven't
What?
tried it in a long time.
2 years.
Teach me too.
I'm between one.
Sure.
I've done
I'll show
it
you if you
once. I only did it once when nobody saw me, and now I haven't done it in 2 I've done it in 2 years. All right. I see how it is. All right, let's go. I am not hungry. I am no. No thoughts? Nothing? All right, babe. Up. Oh, there it is.
Grace has Sean this weekend. Seems like he can't wait to get back to his mother.
Okay. So, like I was saying, guys, it kind of went the way of... Oh, God, I'm glitching. It kind of went the way that I was saying, that, it kind of broke them apart because of the guilt and such. And even though I don't like it, it happens. Dinner, then what? Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna talk with you, child. All right, bed at 8. So, okay, he's got half an hour. So, I'm going to sit down for that last half an hour with my son, and we are going to talk. School.
How are things at school? Is your teacher nice?
Everything's fine, Dad.
Oh, Jesus, he instantly just shut me down.
What do you say we play together for a while?
I'd rather watch TV.
What? Oh, what do I...
So, you want to talk a little?
Talk about what?
I don't know, about you, your friends. How
What
things
is
are
he
going.
watching?
Nothing special.
I guess... Yeah, it's getting close. Let's go to bed, hun.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
Oh, but I never go to bed this early.
Yeah, I'm cutting it off.
No, you're going to bed now. It won't do you any harm to go to bed early for
You're
once.
mean. You just want me to get out of the way so you can have some peace. I hate you.
What? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck, child? Oh! Oh! Oh, you little... No, I'm not... I don't want peace and quiet, child. I don't want peace and quiet. I just give you to your mother. Come back here, damn it! I know he's hurting. I didn't need that. I didn't need that. I didn't need that. Why am I turning on all the lights in my house? Alright, alright, alright. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I'm not... I thought that with the passing of time... No! Damn it. Alright. I'm trying to progress the story along, guys, so we can... that is mine, I guess. No! I'm not going back in! This is what happens when I do things. Is this Sean's room? Why is there so many...
Leave me alone! I hate you!
Oh, baby, please don't. Oh, I am just batting 1,000. That's awesome. It's really bright for 8. But, Sean, please. Damn. Oh God. Okay, it's all... Oh God. I can't even... Whoa. Why is it all fuzzy? Oh, it is hazy as fuck. Oh God. Oh. I'm sorry? Why am I why am I here? He's still rocking those jeans though. But why? He's not even wearing his regular jacket. What the hell? Is this a dream? Can I go to sleep? Why is there an origami figure in my head? Is that a dog? I think it's a dog. Okay. Oh nope. This is all him, guys. I'm not walking. Carnaby Corner North. I have a feeling this will become important to me. To access the control? Oh, not return the game. Oh, interactive drama. I've earned a trophy. Yay. 0.272 inches, and it's a little bit after midnight. About 6 minutes. Or actually 6 minutes on the dot. Oh. Who's this man? I kind of would like to continue where Ethan is, because he's in the middle of nowhere and he's just left his child. At his house. By himself. But I guess I'm progressing the story. Oh, no. Oh, God. Inverted.
Lord Winter. Ring their bells.
No, can't say it does.
Origami killer. 7 victims. No leads. Are you kidding
Oh,
me?
that Lord Winter.
$5!
3rd floor, last door on the left at the end of the corridor.
Honey, you are a cheap date. Third floor. Oh, good. It's not going to make me count. Third door on the left. 1, 2. Alright. Whoop. Oh, it's rumbling because I'm hitting something.
Lord Winter.
Sorry, I only see clients by appointment.
Whoop.
Wait.
It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Fine by me.
Kids? Underage kids?
Put your money on the table. You got exactly 10 minutes when the alarm rings. It's over, okay?
Alright, kids. Alright, kids. I'm going to put the money. Oh, bleh. I don't know what to say. Scott Shelby. Hi, Scott. I really don't know why this is part of the video game, but okay, what am I doing?
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
Shit, a cop. I should have known. What do you want? A freebie? Is that it?
Oh, she's got nice
My
pictures.
name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the Origami Killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
I already told the police all I know and I have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
Is that a boyfriend?
The killer is walking around free as we speak. He'll kill again if he's not arrested.
My Johnny's dead, so what difference does it make?
Boyfriend? Be compassionate, man.
I understand, Lauren. I know what you're going through.
Oh yeah? You know what it feels like to find your own son's body on a wasteland? I'm sorry, I don't believe you have the slightest idea what I'm going through, Mr. Shelby.
Oh, it is your trick?
If we don't find the killer, there'll be other mothers who find their son's body on a deserted wasteland. But you're right. Why should you care? It's not your problem anymore, right?
Damn. Oh, is that her boy?
What do you want to know?
Johnny.
Tell me about Johnny. What kind of kid was he?
Johnny was really a good boy.
What are you doing, man?
Sometimes he fought with other kids who called me out. You know. In his own way, I think he understood what was going on.
Okay, so what about a suspect?
Did you suspect anyone after he disappeared?
I meet a lot of pretty shady characters in my line of work. Sure, I thought of it at first.
Crazy
It didn't seem to make any
ex-boyfriend?
sense.
Crazy ex-lover? Crazy ex-client?
I don't believe any of my clients could have done that to my Johnny and all those other kids.
Okay. So there's that. Is the 10 minutes up?
You want one?
No thanks, I quit.
That don't mean shit.
Brave?
I'm more of you, but that don't mean shit. Oh, I can walk closer. What am I? Johnny's father?
Tell me about Johnny's father.
A loser without a job who liked to beat me after a few drinks. He left the day Johnny disappeared. I ain't seen him since. Coward. Good thing he left.
Disappearance.
How did your son disappear?
He used to go play with the neighborhood kids after school. It was pouring down something awful that day. I'll never forget it. All his friends came home around 5. All except him.
Oh, it's up. I meant to rip, alright. But,
Time's up, Mr. Shelby. I hope you got what you wanted. Now get out of here.
okay. So, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. That was a lot of explanation. Very short time. So, apparently someone's killing kids and leaving origami figures. Because I'm guessing that's why he's called the Origami Killer. But we saw, we saw Ethan with it. So, I'm really concerned. So, I'm gonna see you guys later. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. See you guys in the next one. Bye!